My friends, today I'm going to do quick hands-on review of Huawei Matepad Mini. Now this is one of the thinnest, you can say, tablet and ultra compact that has 8.8 inches OLED display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and 120 hertz refresh rate. And we have peak brightness up to 1800, which is really nice. And it only, if you measure it, the thickness is only 5.2 which is incredible. And it is competing against the Apple iPad Mini, which is in my opinion, this one looks way much better compared to iPad mini, because it has thinner bezel. And here, as you can see, the design on the back, we have our camera, which has a 50 megapixel main camera with the 8 megapixel ultra wide rear camera, and the front camera is 32 megapixel. Here, as you can see, on the top left corner, we have 32 megapixel camera. And if we talk about battery life, guys, it has 6400 milliamps of battery. So by the way, the current version that I'm showing you, it has a paper made display, so it's a little bit expensive compared with the standard one. Unfortunately, we don't have the standard one on the booth. So, and yeah, if we talk about RAM, guys, you are getting 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. And if we talk about price, guys, for the standard edition that doesn't come with the paper made display, the price is 2199 Saudi Riyals. So you get a free cover case and M pencil with it, which is really nice. Here is the M pencil and here is the cover case, which is in my opinion really nice. And let me just quickly show you the price here, as you can see. So guys, if you like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.